exercise is called cross body pocket dip. And we're gonna go ahead and tell you how it's easier and how it's harder right from the start. Easier, pockets that are nice and loose. You're gonna be using some coins as a prop. Bigger coins are easier. Smaller coins are harder. To make it harder for the pants, put on a pair of jeans with tight pockets. For this example though, today's exercise, I'm just gonna do the loose pockets. All right, exercise 1. Pick one of the coins, any of them. I'll start with the quarter. You're gonna start near the anchor point. Step up. You're gonna place the quarter in the right hand, balancing on the right foot. Put the quarter in the right pocket. Kind of restricts your hand here. I'm just focusing on something, looking in front of me, and allowing my arms and hands that are free to help me balance as I restrict this hand. Take the hand out, and then retrieve the quarter with the same hand. That's it. Pretty simple for that side. You're gonna do that 3 to 5 times. It's restricting the hand, getting the quarter all the way in, coming out, and retrieving it. That's 2. Oh, pull the pocket out. That's more challenge. Push the pocket back in. Boom. That's 3. I want you to do that on each side. So this is my dominant side. I'm gonna go to my non-dominant side now. Left foot on the line, quarter in the left hand. Repeat the process. Quarter in the pocket. Retrieve the quarter. Got other coins in here. Let's see if I can get the quarter. Boom. There we go. Same thing, 3 to 5 times on this side as well. It's a fun little exercise to restrict one of your arms. Makes you focus on engaging the core. And boom. That's exercise 1 or progression 1. Moving on to progression 2. Coming back onto your dominant side, you're gonna keep the quarter this time in the left hand. Left hand, cross body, put the quarter in the right pocket. Take the left arm out, and then retrieve the quarter with the left hand. You can see maybe now why this is a little easier with loose pockets. When you got those jeans on, it gets a little harder. 3 to 5 times on this side. Dominant side. Boom, and once you get done with that, you know the drill. Go to the non-dominant side. Non-dominant side for me is left. Foot is balancing, holding the quarter in the right hand. Cross the body. Drop it in the pocket, and then retrieve it. There's a quarter in there somewhere. Filtering through the quarters, nickels and dimes. That seems right. Quarter. All right, try it again. Pretty simple. 3 to 5 times on each side. And whoa, all right. That's progression 2. Progression 3, we're just gonna roam across the line or walk while we're doing exercise 2. So exercise 2 plus a walking is progression 3. Starting close to the anchor point, so backing up as close as you can get. Balancing on the right foot, quarters in the left hand. Drop it in, retrieve it, take a step. Pass off the quarter to the other hand. Drop it in the pocket, retrieve it, take a step, switch hands. Doing this until you make it all the way across the line. That's progression 3. Have fun with this one. Cross body, pocket dip. Something to think about. Focusing on your balance. Remember to take nice, deep breaths. Find a dristy. Engage the core. Take a step. Switch. Again, taking it all the way across the line. If you have any questions, send us an email, slackrobats@gmail.com. Check us out on Instagram, where we do weekly challenges. Lots of fun. Big step this time. All right, I think you get the idea. Crossbody pocket dips. Have fun.